In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an engaging landing page using Mailerlite. Whether you're looking to capture leads, promote an event, or just want to present your brand in a more captivating way, creating a landing page is an excellent move. I'll walk you through each step of the process to make sure you get the most out of this tool. To begin, head over to the Mailerlite website. If you haven't already signed in, hover over to the login section and click on it. From there, you're given the option to sign in with Google, which I highly recommend for ease and security. Now, once you're signed in, you'll find yourself at the Mailerlite dashboard, which is your command center for everything you'll be creating. Next, locate the Sites button in the dashboard menu. You'll want to click on that to proceed to the area where all your site building magic happens. Once you're there, look for the Create button. It's typically prominently displayed, so it shouldn't be hard to find. Give that a click and we're on to the next step. Now, it's time for a touch of personalization. You should see an area to name your site. Think of something catchy that represents your brand or the purpose of your page. Once you've decided on a name, go ahead and type it in. After entering the name, look for the Save and Continue button. Clicking this not only saves your work, but also moves us forward in the creation process. You're making great progress. The next screen will typically ask you to approve some options. Simply click Continue to head over to the exciting part, which is choosing a template. Mailerlite offers a robust selection of templates catering to various needs and styles. Browse through them, there's no rush here. Take your time and pick one that you feel best suits your objectives. Once you've made your choice, click on the Choose button associated with your selected template. Now you're in the editor, and this is where you get to inject your creativity. Take advantage of the editing tools available to tailor the template to your liking. This might include changing text, adjusting colors, or adding images. Don't forget to preview your work to ensure it aligns with your vision. Once you're satisfied with the edits and it looks just right, find the Done Editing button. Congratulations, you've successfully created a landing page using Mailerlite. This new page can now be used to attract viewers, gather leads, or simply showcase your brand in an exciting, interactive manner. Remember, practice makes perfect, so feel free to experiment with different styles and templates to see what resonates best with your audience. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. Happy creating!